Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial, per viewer request, is going to cover the 3-color, 6-stranded ring bolt hitching. So one of my viewers wanted to replicate this 3-color, V-shaped pattern of ring bolt hitching. I'm going to show you how to start it, how to hitch it, and finally how to finish it. For my hitching, I'm going to be using 3 strands, and I'm going to place a cord at the middle point of my strands, creating a total of 6 ends. Instead of a stick, you can also do this technique on a ring, or in smaller cordage, you can use this technique to make a bracelet, perhaps a keychain, or you can decorate other projects, perhaps a dog leash. So, 6 ends, let's begin. From left, over the top, to the right, around, and under, creating our first hitch. Right strand towards the left, around, under, creating our second hitch. Next strand, same thing. Left, towards the right, around, under. Right, towards the left, around, under, tighten up. And our third set of strands, same thing. Left, towards the right, around, under. Then simply tighten up. Right, towards the left, around, under, and tighten up. This attaches all of our strands onto the cord, already forming a V-shaped pattern. We simply continue the same way, always with the last pair, left, right, tighten up for a neat V-shaped pattern. Again, our last pair, same thing. So it's that easy. Alternating our colors and strands. Always tightening up for a nice look of the V-shaped pattern. So do this for a length that you would like. In my case, I would like to also show you how to finish up. So to finish, what we're going to do is place our strands like this. Let's do our whipping. Grab a short piece of thread or thinner piece of cordage. Place it like this over your ends. Grab everything except for one of your ends. Using that end, do a number of turns around everything. So around the core, your ends, and this bite here. After that, so after a number of turns, feed your end into the bite, pull it under your whipping to the other side. Tighten up all of your ends. Tighten up the whipping as well. Pull as much as you can onto the working end, securing the whipping in place. So this is one of many ways of finishing, and it works. Guys, thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope to see you in many more of my videos. Thank you and see ya next time.